Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. This video will give you a brief demonstration of working of LOGIC Business Standard software in a pharmaceutical retail store. First of all, we will create an account of Supplier. Enter the name and define account type as Supplier. Click on Other Details to enter the contact details and address. Also define Gstr details and sale nature. Drug license number can also be added in other details. Let us now look at the grouping of items. Retailers usually need to maintain Schedule H, Schedule H1, and NRX items in different groups. So you can create the groups accordingly and allocate items in them. If you want that the billing of items belonging to a particular group should not be allowed without mentioning patient name and doctor name, then choose Yes in this column. We will see the effect in further steps. Apart from this, item grouping can also be done on the basis of SALT names. Expand the group to see the allocated items in that group. You can create up to 30 group categories like these. Setup company option allows you to create companies of items. Scroll down to the end of the screen and enter the desired company name and a short name. Setup item option allows you to create new items. Enter the name of item and select the company. Choose the groups to which the item belongs. Choose pack size from the list. Enter the number of units contained in that pack. These are called conversion factors. Conversion factors are helpful in cases where loose quantity is to be sold. Let us make another pack size and enter conversion factors. You can create as many pack sizes as needed. Let us now look at the process of entering purchase voucher. As soon as you enter the name of the supplier, a ledger will appear in the form of widgets. Enter item name and select batch number from the list or create a new one. Fill in other required details such as quantity, free quantity, expiry date of the item, rates and discounts. The total quantity column shows the loose quantity, which has been automatically calculated by the software by using conversion factors. Click on View Totals to see the gross amount, discount in rupees, amount of tax and net amount. Press F2 to see the account entry of the bill. Now we will make a sale bill. Type patient name in this window. Choose patient from the list or create a new one if it is not there in the list. The first method of creating a patient is to press F2. You can enter all the details of the patient here and save it. Similarly, type the doctor's name and press F2 to create a new one if it is not already there in the list. Enter the required details and save it. Let us look at a shorter method of creating patient and doctor. Simply type the patient name and press enter. This method is useful when you do not wish to enter so many details of the patient. Similarly, type the doctor's name and press enter. New doctor name will be saved. Enter the item name and choose the lot number. The payment window consists of different payment methods, and it can be customized according to your needs. By clicking on Print button, the bill will get saved and printed. You can get the printing personalized. Let us suppose that the same customer comes again. Simply type the name and choose it from the search list. The doctor's name will be automatically picked and items of the previous bill of this patient will appear. Tick the item in case the patient wants to buy the same item. Sale bill of the selected items will be created. Now, we will make a sale bill without entering patient name and doctor name. But the item that we are entering belongs to the NRX group. Let us see if it will allow us to save the bill or not. No. The software has denied to save the bill. Let us go back to header details and enter patient name and doctor name. The bill has been saved now. You can also control the visibility of near expiry stock in the batch window. Press F9 while you are in the batch window and change the time period accordingly. The batch which is about to expire in that specified time period will be shown in red. Now let us suppose that a patient comes to purchase a particular item, but you do not have its stock. Click on Pack Size column and press Shift plus F5. A substitute list will appear, which will display the alternative medicines of the same salt with the available stock. You can choose a substitute of that item from this list and make a sale bill. In some cases, the department may ask you on whose prescription have you sold certain medicines. So you can attach the doctor's prescription with the sale bill by using this option. You just have to scan the prescription slip and browse it from here. Add other details if required and save it. If you need to make payment to your supplier through check, it will be recorded in bank payments. Select the bank account through which payment is to be made and enter other details. Narrations can be predefined in all account vouchers. While entering payments or receipts, pending bills are displayed. Click on the bills against which the payment is to be adjusted. Let us see how can we create reports in LOGIC ERP. In a pharmaceutical business, maintaining stock according to the expiry dates is one of the most important and tedious tasks to do. LOGIC ERP helps you to check the expired or near expiry stock in this report. Enter the date within which you want to check the expired stock and click on Create. The expiry report has been created. In order to finish this expired stock, we will make a purchase return. Enter the name of supplier and click on Retrieve. Choose expiry from the drop-down list. Select the other required details and enter the date within which you want to finish the stock. All the stock till the specified date will be retrieved. Let us look at some sale reports. Filters are given on the right-hand side of each report. The doctor-patient-wise sale report displays the sale bills according to patient name and doctor name. However, you can change the report order and consolidation as per your requirements. Sale Register H1 report displays the items belonging to Schedule H1 group, sold to which patient, on whose prescription, in which bill, and in what quantity. Similarly, the H1 purchase report displays the items belonging to Schedule H1 group, supplied by different parties and their bill numbers. The Purchase and Purchase Return Register detailed exhibits the purchase bills in an elaborated manner with item name, batch number, quantity, rates and discount details. Items in red depict purchase return items. Similarly, the sale and sale return register detail displays the sale bills in an elaborated manner with item name, batch, quantity, rates and discounts. Items in red depict sale return items. The account-wise daily sale report displays the sale bills according to their payment modes. Let us also see some financial reports. Ledger is one of the most important reports in a business. Select the account of which you want to create the ledger. You can also type and search it. Entry-wise ledger has been created. If you want to generate the ledger of all accounts, remove the filter and click on Create. The dues aging analysis is used to check the current dues and outstanding amount. You can also see which bills are overdue and by how many days. You can also file GST returns from LOGIC ERP. Select the GSTR that you want to generate. Enter the date and click on Generate. Returns can either be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Simply select the GSTR that you want to create and click on Generate. Reconciliation of GSTR2 can be done in LOGIC ERP. Choose the format of the file and browse it from your system. GSTR2A data can also be fetched online. Similarly, GSTR 3B can also be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Apart from these, other GSTR forms are also available. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.